How much we can fit in one bag. Forgot I'm on the west coast, and you have to pay for bags here. That's when you're at the grocery store and you see mountains. That's pretty cool. He has been discovered. You know? Walking up to this hamburger stand to get a shake. We'll see how good they are. All right, my bad. They have a drive-thru. I didn't know that till I got up there. So instead of standing in line in the sun and getting baked, I'm going to go through the drive-thru. Got me some onion rings. Got him a shake. Yeah, so. This is some low tracks. Would not want a train to go over while I'm standing under it. Alright y'all, so we are at the falls. And I cannot say the name of them. Isn't that beautiful? We're going to walk over here and see them a little bit closer. Walk up to the bridge, maybe. We'll see how out of breath I get. That's down there, guys. That is down there. Alright, so a little bit more. Almost to the bridge. Hopefully. Guys, I did it. Well, even though I'm afraid of heights, I did it. Of where we've been for the last week. Kind of empty today. A lot of people left, but it's pretty nice little site. Here's where we are. So usually I don't like all the trees like we had here, but this week it's actually been pretty good because the temperatures weren't all so bad, but it kept us like sheltered and cool. And last night was probably our first night that was really stuffy, but the trees really like blocked out a lot of the sun and stuff. And like right now, it's kind of like it's warm, but it's not awful yet. But trees really enjoyed the trees this time, and just the nice rustic feel. All right, y'all. So we have been here at Cascade Locks, Oregon, KOA. And it was actually a pretty decent campground. We had a back end, pool hookups, fire pit, picnic table, lots of trees. We actually had insight, which was pretty nice because we had no neighbors on that side. We were near the dog park, so we got to see all the dogs and stuff. But the worst part was the train, and it sounded like the train was coming through like on our street. So that was probably the worst part. But take good with the bad. We won't miss the train though. You can see our site was on the end, which was nice, covered by some very large trees. Comes our farewell, guys, from the train. It's still going. That has like been the longest one yet. Is this the end coming? Maybe? Yep, there's the end. Nope. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's downtown Portland. Alright, y'all, so I just wanted to share the smoke and from all the wildfires going on around, and I don't know if you can see, it's still kind of hazy. I haven't checked recently the air quality excuse me, when I checked this morning, and no, that cough wasn't from there. It's probably just from talking so much in videos. This morning when I checked it was poor air quality. So I'm going to show you here around. You can see kind of the air and stuff, how it is back there. Wind was coming in yesterday. It was really awful. I mean, like, I would say probably a half a mile visibility is what we had. Couldn't even see a lot of the mountains and stuff. So but we are safe, and we are watching what's going on, and you know, we do have a plan that, you know, if we hear of anything, evacuations or anything, you know, we will definitely be moving it out. But let me show you. I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you a little bit. All right, and as you see, it's kind of just really over through there. It's really hazy. And let me show you the sun. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like so just hazy over the sun. I said the closest one was 15 miles away. I don't know how accurate that is, but I know there was one down east or west of Walla Walla, and then there's one like northwest of us up above. So we're kind of like right in the middle. But yeah, that's our foggy update.
These and these.
You got what and what?
Little holes.
Do you know what you're doing?
No. Let's see, maybe when I moved them, he took off.
Oh, found you, little buddy. Alright, y'all, I just wanted to share a little bit about, excuse a dumpster. We did overnight here in Evanston, Wyoming. It was for a harvest host. Thank you to the bowling alley here that is part of Harvest Host. The view is absolutely amazing here. If you are in the area and you need a place to stay, definitely try them out.